Entertaining buffet style is such an easy way to create an intimate and informal atmosphere. Thanks to our friends at JCPenney for sponsoring this video. I will be sharing how you can create the perfect fall harvest buffet setup using products from JCPenney. You guys already know that I love using our kitchen island as a buffet so people can be relaxed. I always like to place a festive table runner like this JCPenney Home White Pumpkin Table Runner. It's taupe, hand-painted pumpkins are on each end and it's very affordable. My centerpiece is kept simple with this beautiful wood serving tray by Mason Craft. It's long and rectangle and it's 100% wood, and I will be sharing how I will be making a crowd pleaser cheese board on it. If you are doing it buffet style, always place your dishes first. This is the JCPenney Home Amberley 16-piece dinnerware set that's elegant enough for a formal dinner with the foliage detail on them, or you can use them for your everyday meals. This set is such a great value for the quality that you're getting, and if you have red accent decor in your kitchen, this set would be the perfect addition. I'm thinking out of the box using the lid off of one of my wicker baskets to add some texture to the buffet. These Design Imports gold maple leaf napkin rings can take you from fall straight into Christmas. I've arranged the napkins inside the lid. It's beautifully displayed and it's easy to get to. Again, this is a sure way to make your guests feel special and comfortable at the same time. A fall harvest wouldn't be complete without the two-piece Glitz Home Marble Glass Pumpkins. This set would be perfect if you want to have a low profile but a bold statement on your buffet. Their gray marble with a gold glitzy stem is just beautiful. I've added a few simple stems between the pumpkins and the basket for interest. The hubster made me this little pedestal years ago for me, and I always use this little guy when I need height, and I'm using it to place this beautiful Savannah goblets on the buffet. They are mouth blown with the seated detail and the dishwasher safe, and they also come in amber. I love using serving boards that have handles. In case we wanted to take the party onto the patio, I'm placing mini serveware on top of the board first. This way I can easily see where everything needs to go. This is something that you can definitely do the night before. I've chosen various deli meats to add on the tray. Some salty, some spicy. You definitely want variety. Pickles and olives are definitely a must-have, as well as different cheeses. If you get block cheese like this, cut it up for your guests, please. This way it's easy for them to just grab it and nibble on. Fruits and nuts were also added to the tray. Once the main course is ready, no problem. The tray has handles for easy removal. Hope this has inspired you to create something special for your family or friends. I will provide links to all the products shown in this video from JCPenney, and I want to thank you all for watching.